You'll remember, the work began in November to address drainage issues resulting from extensive flooding caused by Hurricane Sally, which damaged a culvert. We are told this is the second attempt to fix the ongoing issue. Of course, the weather played a huge role, causing many delays and had residents wonder if they would ever finish. After being closed for 4 months, County Road 55 is now reopened. Hopefully the drainage problem is now fixed with this $650,000 project. However, many residents are not happy with the work that has been done, taking to Facebook to express how they feel. One man commented, "It is still a roller coaster ride as it has been. Joke is on us." Another lady posted a meme of the Dukes of Hazzards. I took a ride over the bridge myself, and I have to say, they are not wrong at all. And the Facebook comments kept coming. One man stated 5 months and that's the best they can do. And another funny remark, airborne wise, what's the new distance to beat? The pavement might be a little rough. Hopefully underneath the culvert and drainage problem is fixed. In Loxley, Alabama, Megan Mitch, JAG TV.